Okay, we've got Carmen here. Carmen's a integrated plan of the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy. Carmen helps out with a lot of our consultancy and a lot of our clients trying to get their head in the business, trying to get their head right. Where is it supposed to be in the business? So Carmen, what are some fundamental things there where people go wrong? Do they have a business plan, or do they have an exit plan, or where do they mainly go wrong?
Well, what I found, Gary, is that they need to get the foundations right. So we need to get who the leaders are, and need to get those basic fundamental things about having a vision, what the purpose of the business is, what you're trying to get out of it, and how big you want the business to grow. What it's like the big picture. You want the big picture, and then you also want the right people around you as well.
So do you think people start with the wrong picture? Do you think people start with, like they start as a one-man band, and next minute, they've got too much work and they don't know what to do, and they never plan for it?
Yeah, so what I've seen in this industry, I've only just had a very short little snippet of it, is that you get big very quickly. So a one-man band gets a big turnover, and you become very successful very quickly, and that can have some very it's a different way of working. So working from a self-employed mindset to working where there's employees and then the next is a very different mindset. So what I have been working with is to get those people who have been successful and are moving into those different avenues to change their mindset and to work with what they've got, really.
Okay, that's great. So do you think that when people start these businesses, they don't realise how far they can actually go? Where do you think your talents lie with helping people get their heads right? Is that the main thing that you do for them?
So I've been in clinic doing life coaching and kinesiology for the last 10 years. So my main principle, what I've been doing with them, is to give them direction, give them clarity in what they want in life and in what they want in business, etc. So where I come in, where I can see myself having helping in this industry, is that I can get your head right. So and give you a bit of clarity as to what you want and how you can go about it and who your support team is, and just to get you in that better mindset. So
fantastic. Well, we love you being in the team with Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy, and we love you working with us. So thanks so much for your time.